I'm making some preparations for this hurricane. I don't think it's going to be nearly as bad as it's being predicted. Looking at the live radar, I don't see a well-formed hurricane. So we'll get a lot of rain, some wind, but I'll be surprised if it's anything really serious. But nevertheless, it's a good idea to batten down the hatches and be sure nothing blows away. I got a lot of loose stuff. Well, not so much loose, but tarps and etc. I don't think the metal's going anywhere, it's just too heavy. But there's still things that, this right here is, I think, my greatest area of concern. And I'm going to add some more tarp stuff to it. Well, not tarp, but bungee cords to tie the tarp on better. Already strapped down these, so they're pretty good. Pretty happy with that. And so I think everything will stay put pretty good. All right. So let me see if I can tie the tarp down over my shelving there. All right. Fortunately, this has grommets, so that's a big help. Just got to loop it around and hope the wind doesn't catch under it too bad. And I've got some magnets, which are a big help. Should have it keep it from coming up so bad. Put a magnet down everywhere I can. The shelving and shelves are made out of steel, so they should be okay. At least that's my hope anyway. Nothing over there I don't think is going to blow away. All right. Well, I've done all I can do. To me, it's going to be mainly just a question of how much rain we get. Some of my neighbors are really batting down the hatches, covers over windows and stuff. But we're tucked back into them pretty good. And so this will be the fourth hurricane I've gone through here in the Lakeland area. And the worst one was Hurricane Charlie, and I've lost maybe pieces of 6 shingles. That was it. And my son David was able to go up on the roof and just with a little caulk and tacks repair the roof just fine. So I do have a leak up there. You don't see it or not. And that puts a stream of water down on my electrical stuff. And you know what? I think I'm going to disconnect this and bring it in a little bit so it's not, well, it makes no difference really if it's in a puddle of water or not, if it doesn't have electricity running through it. I think the 220 line is shielded well enough. I don't have to worry about it. So I guess that's about it. I may walk around the neighborhood later today before the rain starts. So far, so good. I don't know how much of the background you can see. Try to tilt the camera up. So far, I think it's gonna roll in around 6 or 7 o'clock this evening. And we'll just have to see how it goes from there. All right, I think I'll wrap it up. One thing that helps is I've got some cypress trees around, not too close. None of them should end up on the house, but they do a lot to help shield from the wind. So every little bit helps. And the houses are pretty close together. That helps as well. These blinds that I welded together, I think will hold up, but if I see them twiddling too much in the wind, I'll just turn them over on the sides. This stuff, I'm a little bit nervous about that sheet of sheet metal there, but it's pretty heavy. It's 1/8 of an inch thick, so, and this stuff here I don't believe is going anywhere, and certainly not that chain. So I guess it'll be all right if I can get over climb over the junk. Oops. This trash can, I may have to do something with it. So I think what I'll do is just pull it in front of the golf cart, and my sign may be a problem. So I'm going to put it in the trash can. So I guess I've done everything I can do. The lanai should be sealed up well enough to not be a problem unless something got tossed through the air.